Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken and rice casserole like you've never had before. We're going to be using a white, delicious, creamy sauce. If you love King's casserole, you're going to love the smell of this one, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. To avoid soggy in your casserole, you want to toast your tortillas. It's more than just warming them up. Lately they've been super soggy for me, so I'm going to toast them up almost to a tostada style, but just enough to get all the moisture out. I'm combining our rice and our beans. And you just want to gently toss them. You want to keep your beans whole. You don't want mashed beans in this casserole. And to make it even easier for us today, we're going to go ahead and toss our shredded chicken. And the same thing, give it a gentle toss. If you don't have heavy whipping cream, you can use Mexican crema, sour cream, half and half. Those will all work. Add your chicken bouillon, onion powder, a dash of white pepper. If you don't have access to white pepper, not to worry, you can use black pepper or you can skip. Add your roasted green chilies. If you don't have access to green chilies, buy the canned ones. They worked equally as delicious in this recipe. And if you want a little bit more spice, use your New Mexico chilies that you can find in your freezer section. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend until smooth. And boom, done. Add a little bit of your sauce to the bottom of your baking dish and cover the bottom of your baking dish. Next, you're going to layer your tortillas. And you're going to evenly distribute some sauce. Depending on the brand of whipping cream that you're using, sometimes you'll find that it comes out more whipped and sometimes a little bit runnier. And the one that I'm using today is from Costco, so it's super whipped and delicious. Next, you're going to add our rice, chicken, and bean combination. Next, we're gonna add a few dollops of our sauce. Next, you're gonna add a layer of your favorite melty cheese. If you don't have access to Chihuahua cheese, you wanna use mozzarella cheese or even a Mexican cheese blend. But the goal here is to keep this casserole white and creamy. Our next layer of corn tortillas. Add your sauce. Next layer of rice, chicken, and beans. Another layer of delicious cheese. It has a beautiful buttery nutty taste that's just out of this world. I'm a fan of this cheese. If you guys see this bag here, pick it up and, tag me, send me a picture. I'll get really excited for you. Before we put our last layer of our tortilla, we're gonna go ahead and add some of this sauce. Place your tortillas right on the top. The remaining sauce. And last but not least, some delicious cheese. And now you're gonna place your casserole in your oven at 380 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. At about 25 minutes, you wanna make sure that nothing's burning on the top. And if you see it getting a little toasty, go ahead and place a parchment paper or a foil over the top and continue to bake. Oh, it smells so good and I can feel how fluffy the cheese is. Ooh, yummy.